The normal process for cutting acrylic would be to slide on the sheet, cut whatever you need, and then we'd put it back on the rack. Now it's getting to the point where we have just got hundreds of sheets of acrylic with holes cut out, different sizes, and it's getting a bit wild on here. So we're going to put a process in to fix it. So the new standard process is, there's the 2 squares that I've needed to cut out, and what I've done is I've labelled this sheet Opal 3mm sheet 1, and I will clear a space on the rack just for the sheet to live on. And then if we come to the computer and we open up Opal acrylic sheet 1, here is the file that's saved with the 2 holes out. So now I can just add what else I would need to cut to this sheet, and then there should be no waste. Thank you.
I was trying to add my email signatures earlier to my new email, and I noticed that none of them actually had a good name. They're all just called Jake, which is not very helpful. So I've gone through now and I've renamed them all so it makes sense what they are. Found the scales over here earlier. Not only does it not have a location marker on here, but the one on the back is actually wrong. So let's fix that. So I've fixed the label on the back. I've added it at the bottom as well.
Sometimes it's a bit confusing trying to get stock from upstairs when 0 starts from there and 300 is around about here. So I'm going to get some signs made to just make it quicker at a glance to know where you're going. Now you can know at a glance which aisle you need to go down when you run upstairs for which product you need. Thank you.
Okay, so just put in the answer where the question is asked, where to restock these labels from.
Just put in the answer where the question is asked, so restock discs from tool wall, and if you run out here, restock from barn. Thank you.
Just on this jig where the nuts are for the fans, they weren't welded on, but now they are welded on, so it's much easier. You don't have to worry about the nut, it's just going to be there permanently.
Every time we dispatch, we're always really dusty, really dirty, so I'm going to prove that by putting a label saying keep clean. I now prove that by his label, it's proof that the clean, keep clean, so every time we get back, please clean them. Thank you. Right, now prove that label in my punch.
We used to have these plain labels along here, and I've just changed them so it's better visual control and it matches up with the bits in here, so it takes less time for me to see where they need to go.
Got this temporary area, but in light of removing things that are no longer needed, this is no longer needed here, so it shouldn't be there, so I'm going to remove that. I'll take the screw out now. That's simple as that to do an improvement.
That's a great job everyone. Thank you very much.